There's a very powerful tool in AI right now that not many people are using. So next week, I'm going to do a whole set of guides on them, and I need your help deciding what to focus on. So the tool itself is Claude, but specifically Claude Projects. Claude is a competitor to ChatGPT and, in my opinion, much better at many things. And the project functionality is a really neat feature where you can gather up lots of documentations around the task that you are trying to do, stick it all in one big bucket that's called a project, and then work within that area, and Claude is going to be extremely focused. And then out of this project, you run multiple chats and the project will continue to learn. Think of it as kind of a mini, very basic version of an AI assistant without you needing to code or create anything special. Projects are really useful for recurring tasks. So for example, if you write a newsletter, you can load up a whole bunch of your previous newsletters, maybe some instructions on how you structure your newsletter, and a style guide explaining how you want to write it. You'd give the project all of these resources and then you'd ask it to create new newsletter issues for you. And it's going to do much better than if you just gave it a cold prompt. So here's the question. Next week in my newsletter, I'm going to be writing about how to use projects. And I'm looking for a couple of examples to cover. So what kind of things would you like me to talk about building in projects? For example, a project that helps with social media posts, with emails, with customer service responses. Basically, give me your ideas of what kind of projects, what kind of applications you'd like to see me build, and I will use them as examples in the newsletter. Just drop your suggestions in the comments here.